Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Smart Door Lock. Let's begin by unboxing your new smart lock and confirming all parts are included, such as the lock assembly and mounting hardware. Next, download the Amazon Key app or your lock's dedicated application and set up your account. The app will then guide you through the physical installation, replacing your existing deadbolt. Finally, pair your lock with your home's Wi-Fi or smart hub for seamless integration. For daily use, you can effortlessly lock and unlock your door remotely using the Amazon Key app, giving you control from anywhere. Integrate with Alexa-enabled devices to enjoy the convenience of voice commands, securing your home with just a few words. Enhance your security by enabling the auto lock feature, which can automatically secure your door after a set time, like 30 seconds. You can also easily generate unique access codes for visitors or family members. Managing access is simple and secure. You'll receive real-time notifications on your phone for all lock and unlock events, keeping you informed. Easily grant or revoke access for specific individuals directly through the app, maintaining full control over your home's entry points. A detailed history log allows you to review every interaction, including who entered and when. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Amazon Key account. To keep your smart lock running smoothly, remember to check and replace its batteries every 6 to 12 months, preventing any unexpected power interruptions. Always ensure a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection near your door for consistent remote access and notifications. Regularly update your lock's firmware through the app to benefit from the newest features and security improvements. If you encounter persistent issues, the in-app help section or Amazon's online support offers detailed troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.